Australian, especially by
Maxwell.
So
Biggest
that's
hitter of
why
the
it was
cricket
there.
ball.
So I think on the other hand, actually they are making fun of our team. That if an old person can take the
Yes, this says
responsibility.
that we should not only blame Babar Azam for Pakistan's defeat, and obviously the whole team was struggling. So there are lots of discussion happening in sport, and Tahir Bhai is with us today. How are you, Tahir Bhai?
Me good, Akib. God is too kind. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir Bhai, alhamdulillah. And how do you see, Tahir Bhai, Afghanistan's victory against England last night? And tomorrow they're playing Australia, another world champion.
Yeah, Akib, if we start from the yesterday's match between Afghanistan and England, Afghanistan heart will be like this. So they will be fully confident, but on the other hand, they should not be extra confident. Otherwise, this confidence might shake their winning streak and might be able to win Australia.
And you know that they are standing against Australia. Australia is a team which doesn't give up till the last ball, Tahir Bhai. How do you see? And I think we might witness another heavy encounter tomorrow in Lahore.
Yeah, Akib, as in previous video, Dr. Saab was mentioning that in past World Cup, Afghanistan was badly beaten by Australia, especially by
Maxwell.
So
Biggest
that's
hitter of
why
the
it was
cricket
there.
ball.
So I think on the other hand, Afghanistan will be bit nervous as well as comparing to their last loss against Australia. But on the other hand, the same victory might have uplifted their confidence. So I think it will be a very tough ask for both the teams.
And Tahir Bhai, you know it's raining in Lahore. How do you see the match between Pakistan and Bangladesh has also been abandoned today in Rawalpindi? Pakistan has gone away with just 1 point.
I give it a good sign that that match is abandoned because I was afraid that might be the case that Pakistan might not be able to win this match.
You
as
know, a
well.
couple of months ago, they beat them.
All praise to God that he sent the rain and enable this match to be abandoned. I think in this case, Pakistan will be able to achieve at least 1 point.
Yes.
So it will be one is
Salute.
better than 0.
And Tahir Bhai, how do you see Yugraj Paji's statement today that he said that he wants to coach the Pakistani team and he can fix all the issues within 1 year, I think he said, to the PCB. It's an indirect message to the PCB.
Yeah, Akib, it's a shame. There is Urdu word. दीवार के गिरी मेरे कच्चे मकान के लोगों ने इसको रास्ता बना लिया. So when your team is shaking and definitely other will make fun of it. Actually, they are making fun of our team. That if an old person can take the responsibility and put their team on the winning streak. So I think it's a very sorry state of affairs of Pakistan, and PCB should, I repeat, PCB should take some emergency steps to uplift the rehabilitation of the team. Otherwise, this team is no more to be able to survive in the cricketing fantasy world.
And Tahir Bhai, lastly, before we conclude this video, you also shared a statement of Harbhajan Singh as they said that we should not only blame Babar Azam for Pakistan's defeat, and obviously the whole team was struggling, and he said that Babar was a kind of a lone warrior. So what do you say? Harbhajan sometimes speaks in favor, sometimes he speaks again. He's very confused brain.
Harbhajan do this thing just to remain in the news, right? So I think on the other hand, his point of view is very valid. We should not only put fingers on the Babar, but there are only 10, 11, 9 players are also over there. So I think Babar should hold his nerves. He should voluntarily should sign himself from the team. Just because currently if we can compare the performance of our team with the other nations, our team is dwindling day by day. Even our team's performance went way beyond even the Kenya as well. No sportsman spirit, no mechanism, no proper batsman bowling fielding. All 3 disciplines are outlet. So I think it's a good time that PCB should take big steps and things can be normalized.
And do you think Aqib Javed should resign, Tahir Bhai? He should step down with
No,
grace.
Aqib Bhai should not resign. No, should not resign. Resignation is not the solution. But the main issue is we should implement some policies, but those policies should be on ground, not on paper basis. That's the main dire of the need. Changing the captain, changing the coaches doesn't matter, but
We need stability in the men's.
stability and proper policies.
Tahir Bhai, thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will try to have you in another video. So okay, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe to Sports Here for more content like this. Till then, it's goodbye from me and Tahir Bhai. Side to good.